Hello everyone. Welcome to this Bold Reports tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use renderingBegin, reportCanceled, toolbarRendering, renderingComplete, and reportExport events in a React application to manage report interactions. Events are actions raised by the Bold Reports report viewer at key moments, such as when rendering starts or when an export is initiated. By handling these events, you can execute custom logic like showing a loading message, tracking user actions, or controlling export behavior. For this demo, I have already created a React application with the report viewer component. The sales order detail report is configured in it. I have included a video link in the description that can get you to this point. Let me start by opening the app.js file and initializing the renderingBegin event and method in the report viewer component. The renderingBegin event is triggered before the report rendering starts. I implement the onRenderingBegin method. For a simple example, I will display an alert message when the event is triggered. I run the application to render the report. When rendering begins, the event is triggered and the alert dialog appears. After clicking OK, the report continues rendering. Next, I will add the reportCanceled event and the onReportCanceled method. The reportCanceled event is triggered when report processing is canceled. This can happen when a user cancels report loading or cancels an export operation. In a real-world scenario, you can use this event to stop a loader, reset the UI, or show a cancellation notification. I will refresh the application so processing starts. And then I will click the Cancel option in the viewer. Once it is canceled, the event is triggered and an alert message is displayed. Now we'll initialize the toolbarRendering event and method in the app.js file. The toolbarRendering event is triggered when the toolbar is being created. This event is useful when you want to customize the toolbar, for example, to hide export options for certain users, or to adjust toolbar items based on your application needs. I add the onToolbarRendering method with a simple alert message. After that, I refresh the application to trigger the event. Once I click OK, the toolbar finishes rendering. Next, I will initialize the renderingComplete event and method in the app.js file. The renderingComplete event is triggered after the report rendering is finished. If you want to perform an operation after the report is fully rendered, like enabling page actions, showing a report is ready message, or logging the load time, you can use this event. Inside the method, I add a code block to display an alert message. Then, I refresh the report viewer page to trigger the event after rendering completes. Finally, I will initialize the reportExport event and method inside the report viewer component. The reportExport event is triggered when the user initiates an export from the viewer. This is useful for tracking exports, validating permissions, or blocking exporting for restricted reports. In the app.js file, I implement the onReportExport method and display an alert message. Then, I refresh the application to render the report. When I click the Export option and choose PDF, the event triggers and the alert message appears. In this video, I have shown you how to implement rendering and report events in a React application. To learn more about Bold Reports, you can visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Reports subscription, you can try out the platform with a free trial. If you prefer a demo from an expert, selecting Request Demo allows you to schedule one. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like it. Thanks for watching.